In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Microsoft Excel Copilot feature to effortlessly analyze and summarize your data. Whether you're a seasoned Excel user or just getting started, this tool will help you work more efficiently. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once you have it open, go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have a Microsoft 365 account, you'll need to set one up to use the Copilot feature, as it's a part of the service's cloud functionalities. Signing in is crucial because it ensures that your data, settings, and tools are all synchronized across your devices, bringing you a seamless experience. Now that you're logged in, cast your eyes to the toolbar at the top of the Excel window. Here, you'll notice various icons, but the one we're interested in is the Copilot, indicated by a little sparkle icon. Click on this icon to open the Copilot panel. This feature is designed to assist you by performing complex data tasks with ease, using advanced algorithms to suggest the best ways to organize and visualize your data. Once the Copilot panel has opened, you're ready to type in a request. Suppose you have a sales sheet open and you want to know which products are driving the most revenue. Simply type in a clear and specific request, such as, "Analyze sales data in this sheet and create a summary of the top 3 products by revenue." This is where Copilot shines because it understands your requests in plain language and does the heavy lifting for you. It essentially acts as a smart assistant, interpreting your needs and taking the appropriate actions. After submitting your request, Copilot will process the information and swiftly insert a table, chart, or other insightful data presentations into your spreadsheet. It might take a moment, but once it's done, you'll have a visual summary or pivot table that captures the insights you seek. Now it's time to review what Copilot has generated. Be sure to check the accuracy of the table or chart and see if the insights align with your expectations or if further tweaks are needed. This feature is remarkable in that it lets you instantly analyze data, create pivot summaries, and visualize results without needing to manually construct complex formulas or spend hours crunching numbers. The Excel Copilot is truly a powerful tool, enabling you to unlock data-driven insights with minimal effort. And that's it. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of Excel's powerful data analysis capabilities, allowing for a more productive and efficient workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool as useful and exciting as I do.